them twice. Some moments are too precious to waste. That's Sekkaku. Sekkaku shows a rare chance or a special opportunity when it's followed by kara or noni. It means since this chance has come, make the most of it. Sekkaku 日本に来たんだから日本でしか食べられないものを食べてみよう Since we've come all the way to Japan, let's eat something we can only eat here. せっかく沖縄に行くのだからスキューバダイビングをしてみたい Since I'm going all the way to Okinawa, I wanna try scuba diving. Don't waste the moment. Sometimes the opportunity is lost when Sekkaku is followed by noni. It expresses regret that something didn't happen, even though the chance was there. We've now used no after Sekkaku. Sekkaku 夢の店に招待してもらったのに行けなくて残念です Even